Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore the ADKAR model, a step-by-step method for successful change in any organization. ADKAR stands for awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. It helps employees adopt change effectively and sustainably. Awareness means understanding why change is needed. Leaders communicate risks of not changing and benefits of the new process. Staff learn that certain parts keep failing quality checks, leading to scrap, delays, and customer returns. Awareness highlights the urgency. Desire motivates employees to support change, address concerns, involve staff, and show personal or team benefits. Workers see that fixing the recurring defect reduces scrap, prevents overtime, and improves team reputation, encouraging engagement. Knowledge equips employees with the skills to act. Training, instructions, and coaching are critical for proper adoption. Staff are trained on how to inspect parts, adjust machines, and follow new work instructions to prevent the NC from happening again. Ability is applying knowledge and practice. Employees gain hands-on experience with support and resources. Teams run production with guidance from supervisors, adjusting machines and checking parts to ensure defects are eliminated. Reinforcement ensures changes last. Celebrate successes, track performance, and keep the new standard in place. Managers monitor defect rates, recognize teams with zero NCs, and ensure the updated process is followed daily. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more best practice explainers and professional insights.